Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to play Valorant Mobile in Android. So if you're a big fan of video games and you want to play Valorant, then in this video I'll show you how it can be possible. So basically there is no app for the Valorant, but we can get it through its browser version. So for that you have to go to any browser or you can open the Google search and then you have to search for Valorant Mobile download. As you search for it or anything key related to it, you will get the first link for download the game. You have to click onto that one and you will be onto its website for Valorant. So basically you have to simply download its APK file and then you can use it. But this may not work in your mobile phone based on the capability of your mobile phone. If your phone is new and a high end, then you will be able to play it. But there's still a way through which you can play it, which is that you have to go to the store and then you have to search for the Valorant and you will see this one Riot Mobile. This is basically a launcher for the Valorant Mobile. You have to simply install it and open it up. Then you have to simply create your account with using your email address, and then you will be able to view all these live streams of Valorant. If you cannot play but you can still enjoy this game by watching these live streams of Valorant, you can click on to any one of these. If you have any specific streamer in your mind, you can also search for it. You will get its stream if it is available at the moment, and then you will be able to enjoy their video or their stream. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.